Health Break, brought to you by CHI St. Joseph Health.
If you're noticing trouble with memory, thinking, or speech that could be the result of a brain injury, there is help available. Karen Mills from CHI St. Joseph Health describes their services.
It's really just important to make sure that we're assessing patients in various areas of cognition, like attention and memory, multitasking, processing speed, and then we take those measures to create goals for patients that coincide with the goals that they want for their daily lives. With therapy, patients can really see good positive impacts on being able to regain some of their daily function, to return to work, and to be able to return to home activities and community and being involved in family events.
For more information, go to chistjosephhealth.org. For Health Break, I'm Nancy Cox.